This PetroSkills PetroAcademy skill module covers reservoir surveillance at the core knowledge level. Within a multidisciplinary team, the reservoir engineer, RE, must be an advocate for asset-appropriate reservoir surveillance, RS, data. Variants to the geological model and the ensuing reservoir model are exonerated and condemned based on coupled static and dynamic reservoir surveillance data the reservoir engineer proposes. In order to achieve these goals, reservoir surveillance activities follows the work process as listed here. Acquired with minimal and correctable acquisition errors, then processed through the pertinent equations, and next, coupled with other scale data, and corroborated with other data sources from his or her own and other disciplines, and then interpreted into the reservoir model. In order to accomplish these steps for the asset team, the RE must understand reservoir surveillance information that deals with data, acquisition, processing, and interpretation errors, along with quality, accuracy, and technical and geometric limits of the specific technology, and uncertainty and scale controls on the data collected. Imagine a situation in which one intends to inject water but does not know where the bypassed oil is to extract the most value out of an asset by water injection. An example is the calculation methodology for circular drainage plots under depletion prior to injection. This calculation is based on allocated test data. This process is shown here. Tracers help us understand the continuity. For example, in this case between injectors and producers, the tracer should flow through the H zone. You may want to take a moment to review these diagrams. The allocation process must be understood to apply this data to such an important effort for this asset based on the points previously mentioned: acquisition, processing, and interpretation errors, quality, accuracy, and technical and geometric limits of the specific technology, and uncertainty and scale controls on the data collected. Finally, the reservoir-specific allocated production data should be corroborated with other RS surveillance data, such as cased hole P&L logs. This course will review tools and reservoir surveillance activities in order to give participants the knowledge base necessary to be a reliable professional reservoir surveillance data advocate for his or her asset.